What is happening at the intersection of innovation and caution? We're kicking things off with NVIDIA and OpenAI, who are reportedly joining forces for a monumental $100 billion AI infrastructure project, aiming to build the biggest AI infrastructure project in history. This massive investment could redefine the future of artificial intelligence as we know it. Get ready for details. But while NVIDIA and OpenAI are fueling the AI engine, the United Nations is issuing a stark global warning. Nobel laureate Maria Ressa is leading a charge with a petition signed by hundreds of prominent figures, demanding binding international red lines for AI to prevent dangerous applications. This is a critical moment for global governance and AI safety. The market is absolutely buzzing. Stocks are hitting record highs as the news of NVIDIA's colossal $100 billion investment in OpenAI breaks. We'll explore how this strategic partnership is sending shockwaves through the financial world, boosting not only tech giants, but also related industries. What does this mean for your investments? And the ripple effects are undeniable. NVIDIA's market cap has skyrocketed by an astonishing $177 billion following the OpenAI announcement. We're diving deep into this seismic market shift and what it signals for the future of AI investment. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. AI's red lines. NVIDIA and OpenAI's $100 billion gamble versus the UN's global warning. This isn't just a headline. It's the defining debate of our time. 2 years after the initial calls for an AI pause, the world stands at a crossroads. Today, NVIDIA and OpenAI announced a colossal partnership, with NVIDIA planning to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI to build at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA-powered computing systems, an infrastructure project described by NVIDIA's Jensen Huang as the biggest AI infrastructure project in history. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman emphasizes this is critical to everything we want to do, calling it the fuel for better models and revenue. This collaboration aims to shatter current constraints by massively expanding hardware capacity, enabling OpenAI to push boundaries in advanced reasoning, multimodal processing, and deeper AI interactions. Both companies champion this as a way to lower costs and accelerate the transition from research to widespread commercial use. Meanwhile, on the global stage, Nobel laureate Maria Ressa, at the UN General Assembly, presented a petition signed by over 200 prominent figures, urging the UN to establish binding international red lines for AI by 2026. This initiative targets high-risk AI applications like deepfakes, mass surveillance, and autonomous weapons, aiming to prevent their misuse from spiraling beyond control. Historian Yuval Noah Harari warns, AI is the first technology that can make decisions by itself and escape our control. The market is already reacting, with stocks soaring and NVIDIA's market cap jumping significantly. This duality, industry's relentless acceleration versus global calls for restraint, captures AI's complex reality in 2025. The real challenge isn't choosing between pause or accelerate, but aligning incentives so that speed and safety advance together, ensuring AI's immense potential benefits humanity without succumbing to its profound risks. And that staggering $100 billion investment. It's sending shockwaves through the financial world, but is it all good news? We'll break down the market's wild reaction and what it means for the future of AI funding next. Stocks surged to record highs on NVIDIA's $100 billion OpenAI investment. The financial markets are celebrating a monumental announcement as NVIDIA pledges a staggering $100 billion investment in OpenAI. This news has propelled stocks to new record highs, showcasing the immense confidence and excitement surrounding the future of artificial intelligence. NVIDIA, a titan in AI chip manufacturing, intends to progressively invest up to $100 billion into OpenAI. This strategic funding is earmarked for the deployment of at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI infrastructure, essential for training and operating OpenAI's next generation of advanced models. The initial phase of this massive deployment is slated to come online in the second half of 2026, utilizing NVIDIA's Vera Rubin platform. The market's reaction has been overwhelmingly positive. Beyond NVIDIA's own stock performance, which saw a significant surge in market capitalization, related industries have also benefited. Notably, crypto miner stocks experienced a notable rise, indicating a broader market optimism fueled by this significant vendor financing deal within the AI sector. This investment is seen as a major catalyst, injecting substantial capital and confidence into the rapidly expanding AI ecosystem. But with such massive investments and market booms, questions arise about sustainability and potential risks. Next, we'll delve into the global concerns being raised at the United Nations about AI's unchecked development. OpenAI and NVIDIA announced landmark $100 billion partnership for AI supercomputing. In a move set to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence, OpenAI and NVIDIA have formalized a strategic partnership aimed at deploying at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA's advanced AI systems. This collaboration represents a significant leap towards building the infrastructure necessary for superintelligence and scaling AI benefits globally. At the core of this agreement is NVIDIA's commitment to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI. This investment will progressively fund the deployment of NVIDIA's state-of-the-art computing systems, crucial for OpenAI's ambitious roadmap in developing and training its next-generation AI models. The first deployment phase, utilizing the NVIDIA Vera Rubin platform, is expected to be operational by the second half of 2026. This partnership goes beyond mere hardware provision. It involves co-optimizing roadmaps for both OpenAI's model and infrastructure software and NVIDIA's hardware and software. This synergy aims to accelerate AI breakthroughs and ensure that the power of these advanced systems can be harnessed by people and businesses at scale. OpenAI, with its over 700 million weekly active users, sees this as fundamental to advancing its mission of building artificial general intelligence for the benefit of all humanity. The announcement has been met with widespread industry enthusiasm, particularly from financial analysts and market watchers who see it as a validation of the AI sector's growth trajectory. The scale of the investment underscores the critical role of compute infrastructure in the future economy. While industry leaders forge ahead with ambitious plans, a different kind of conversation is unfolding on the global stage. We'll explore the urgent warnings from the United Nations about AI's potential dangers next. NVIDIA's market cap soars by $177 billion on ambitious OpenAI investment. The financial markets have reacted with unprecedented enthusiasm to NVIDIA's announcement of a planned $100 billion investment in OpenAI, driving the chipmaker's market capitalization up by a staggering $177 billion. This massive investment, described as a vendor financing deal on an enormous scale, is poised to significantly bolster the AI market. The funds are intended to support OpenAI's development of next-generation AI models, requiring substantial computing power. NVIDIA's commitment underscores the deep entanglement between the two companies, with OpenAI being a major customer for NVIDIA's advanced AI chips. The market's positive reaction has been swift and dramatic, with NVIDIA's stock price surging. The positive sentiment has also extended to related sectors, including Bitcoin mining companies, highlighting the interconnectedness of the AI and crypto economies. However, some economists have expressed skepticism, pointing to the vagueness surrounding the timetable for the actual disbursement of the $100 billion and the potential fragility of valuations built on such announcements. The AI capital expenditure, CapEx, has become a cornerstone of the U.S. economy, and the sheer scale of this deal raises questions about market stability and the potential for broader economic disruption should the AI sector face a downturn. The market's reliance on AI-driven growth is evident, with many placing significant bets on the continued expansion of this technology. This colossal investment is fueling incredible growth. But what are the global implications of such rapid AI advancement? We'll hear the urgent calls for international regulation from the United Nations next. And that's a wrap on today's AI explosion. We saw NVIDIA and OpenAI team up for a monumental $100 billion infrastructure push, sending stocks to record highs and boosting NVIDIA's market cap by nearly $180 billion. But as innovation accelerates, the UN, led by Maria Ressa, is demanding global red lines for AI to prevent dangerous applications. It's a critical balance between progress and safety. Did this news blow your mind? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for all your AI news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Follow us on all social platforms for more AI insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.